here it is, guys. Today I'm welcoming you all with the all-new 2023 model Mercedes-AMG EQE53 SUV. Yeah, it's a long name. But in today's video, I will be doing a full walk around, showing you all the exterior highlights of this all-new full electric and the first full electric AMG SUV. And afterwards, we will be also checking out the interior of this because it's super special, and finish it all off with a resume. So let's get it on and talk about the facts, the numbers. The EQE SUV as well as the limousine EQE are coming both with 43 models and the 53s. The one we have right in front of us is the 53, so I will be focusing on the 53. The 53 here is producing 460 kilowatts, 950 newton meter of torque. The top speed of it is 220 kilometers per hour and 0 to 100 sprint in 3.7 seconds. But if you upgrade it with the AMG Dynamic Plus package, you will have an output of 505 kilowatts, 1000 newton meter of torque, and a top speed of 240 kilometers an hour, and the 0 to 100 sprint in 3.5 seconds. So the base AMG EQE SUV is the 43, but if you go and get yourself one, go and upgrade it with the 53 and the AMG Dynamics Plus package. Here we have a very nice spec option. The exterior color is called Sodalite Blue, and we also have the night package 1 on this. We have some cool wheels and a lot of things that I have to show you, so let's get it on and start with the walk around and the front in specific. First of all, the headlights. The headlight unit here with the digital light are coming from factory. You will be always having the digital light unit here, and you can already see the 2 LED torches showing us that this is the EQE. With the EQS SUV, you will be having 3 of these LED torches. But with the EQS SUV, we will be not seeing any AMG version because we will be having a Maybach coming off that soon, hopefully. So the only AMG SUV right now will be the EQE53 SUV. Here also with a nice LED bar here. And since we already had it with the C63 SE Performance a few months ago, we now have the Affalterbach AMG badge here on the bonnet, which I am a huge fan of. This looks simply amazing. And in addition, with the star you can see here in the front with the 3D star emblem, this looks absolutely beautiful. We also have the so-called Panamericana front grille, and this one is the biggest one I've seen so far. Just look at the stripes. These are extremely large. Also with the AMG badge here, you can also upgrade it with the night package 2, and then you will be having a dark chrome finish on these as well. Since we have the night package 1 on this, you can see it here by the bumper. These are finished in this darkish chrome, and everything else here with a black gloss. Really, really cool finish in addition with the Sodalite Blue. I am in love. Guys, how do you like it? Leave it in the comment section below. Now looking at the side of the EQE SUV, let me just point out a few things that you have to know. First things first, I told you guys with the base EQE SUV, I didn't like the plastic side fenders. These come from factory with the EQE SUV, with the base version, but with the AMG one, you will be having these finished in exterior paint. And just for that, I will be upgrading it to an AMG, in my opinion. Here we also have the multi-spoke AMG wheels, the EQ-specific ones. These are also upgraded. The bars are a bit thicker than the normal ones. And behind that, we can't really spot it, but we have the carbon ceramic brakes here. Also here with the Mercedes Benz center lock AMG emblems. I am in love. And the brake disc is extremely big, but you can't really spot that right now, unfortunately. 22 inches here, lovely. Here on the side, the stepboard, which is optional, is also aero improved. So I would rather go without it because it looks way sportier. 4MATIC Plus badge on the side since we have an all-wheel drive here. EQE badge here on the A-pillar, and the side mirror finished here on the door part. The door handles are the exact same ones as we have with the base version with the EQS and Ls. Seamless door handles. As soon as you lock the car, they move in. As soon as I unlock the car, they move back out. And these are also illuminated. A huge fan of that. Really cool, especially in the night. In the rear, the EQE SUV AMG version comes with the rear axle steering from factory. But instead of 10 degrees as we have it with the EQE SUV base version, we will be having the 9-degree option on this. Why? Because the tires are way too big. And also the 22 inches here in the rear, looking super nice. In the rear, we don't have the carbon ceramic brakes. Instead, we have the steel brakes, but these are also finished in the golden finish, just to complete the entire look. Also here, the roofline, I have to mention it, as I did with the EQE, the SUV base version. This part is finished in black, and just by looking at these lines, you might think that this is a coupe. Unfortunately, we will be not seeing a coupe version of the EQE SUV, but yet again, I mean, this almost looks like a coupe, super sporty and still elegant. But now, let's focus on the rear. And here we have it, the EQE53 AMG rear. This is something I always criticize with AMG EQs. The rear is almost identical to the base versions. The only thing, let me point that out, the only difference we have between the non-AMG and the AMG is in the rear diffuser. Looking over here, this also finished in this dark chrome. We have, these 3 stripes. With the base version, we have 2, but that's actually it. And also something very, very important, the rear diffuser is finished in black gloss. With the base version, it's finished in plastic. Also here, the EQE53 badge, the Mercedes Benz star and the AMG badge as well in chrome. If you upgrade it to the night package 2, these will be finished in this dark chrome as well. Since we have an EQE here, Helix design, we have 4 lights, 1, 2, 3, 4, aero improved tail lights as well. Also with the LED bar here, I am in love. I really like it, guys. How do you like the EQE53 SUV? But now, guys, let's talk about the interior. And there's something super special that I have to show you, because it's also the first time for me seeing it. Unlocking the doors first, and now, guys, look at this. First of all, let's just jump inside and appreciate the animation here. Just look at this. 3, 2, 1. Wow, I am in love. I really like it. Okay, well, we are now inside the all-new EQE53 SUV, and for the first time ever, we have this. This is the all-new AMG carbon fiber steering wheel on base of the new AMG steering wheel. I really love this, and it's the first time for me seeing it. I was waiting so long to see that, and now it's finally time. The feel, the touch of it is just so nice. I really love it, and I kind of started to like the new steering wheel just because of the carbon fiber parts on this. How do you guys like the steering wheel? Leave it in the comment section below. In the inside of the EQE53 SUV, it's literally comparable to what we have seen with the base EQE limousine and the EQS SUV, and the EQS AMG version is exactly the same, guys. This is something that I always criticize. I would love to see something that separates the SUV models in the interior with the limousines. I wish we had something like inside the GLE with the bar, the SUV specific bar here. But all in all, I still really appreciate the interior and love it, especially with the hyper screen here, 144 centimeter interior unit, 3 separate displays, one in front of the driver, in the center one, and also for the co-driver. We have the LED ambient color surrounding us, giving us an absolutely nice interior atmosphere. And also here with the seats, the AMG EQE specific ones. These are full finished in black here. Also with the AMG Falterbach emblem on the headrest, AMG emblem over here. And even these are illuminated with the ambient colors. We have the panorama roof, which is optional, but if you gonna get it, just do it. It gives you so much light in the inside. The rear seats also full finished in black. Very boring interior. I wish we had some colors in here. Also on the side here, heated seats, full ambient color setup, and yeah, lovely interior, especially the steering wheel, guys. I would love to hear your opinion on the steering wheel. There's something that I hate. I really hate it, and they do it every time. And you know it. The airbag cover is finished in plastic yet again. This gives the interior such a cheap look. Why not just cover this with leather as well? Or here Alcantara Dinamica on the airbag cover would give this the final touch. It would look absolutely nice. Let me just start the ignition again. There we go. And then you can already see the new steering wheel buttons with a nice animation here. And you have the driving modes from slippery, individual, comfort, sport, and Sport Plus. This is pretty nice, and also with this sound here. We have balance, sport, and powerful. Suspension, you can set everything over here. It's just super easy and handy to have that. All in all, guys, how do you like the inside of the all-new EQE53 SUV? Let's step outside and finish it off with a resume. Before we finish it off, two things that I have to mention. First things first, as soon as you open the door, it literally stops at the exact same spot you left the door. You can also hear the system working. There we go. And we have the soft closing doors. There we go. And now let's finish it off with a resume, guys. How do you like the all-new EQE53 AMG? So as a final resume, there's one thing that I have to highlight. As you guys know, the EQS 580 and the EQS 53, there's a price difference of 17,000 euros. And you have so many cool features coming with the AMG EQs. So I think that this will be similar with the EQE 53 SUV as well. And when you just compare it with the base version, especially the side fenders, I love it here with the exterior paint, with the front, with the grille, the wheels, the interior. All in all, I really like it. How do you guys like it? Please leave it in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to be driving this, to be fully experiencing it. Leave me your questions about this car also in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.